Marketing is a term that we often hear many things about, but many people do not know its true meaning. Whenever I ask the newly joined students of our Pranab Digital Gurukul community about its meaning, I get to hear many different answers. Some call it selling, some say that marketing means advertising, some associate it with customer acquisition, and some think that marketing simply means promotion. Many more such definitions can be heard from people. However, selling, advertising, promotion, building a customer base are important components of marketing. But it would not be right to just say that marketing means selling or advertising or promotion or customer acquisition. In such a situation, it is very important to know the real meaning of marketing that will help you reach the next stage of digital transformation and build your digital ecosystem. According to HubSpot, marketing is called the set of actions with the help of which a company attracts its target audience towards its products and services. With the help of these set of actions, any product is shown to the right customer at the right time and right place. The ultimate goal of marketing is to grow the business by strategically implementing these set of actions. The business will also grow only when existing customers stay with you, keep buying new products and services, and new customers also keep joining. The goal of every company is to survive, whether it is a physical product, digital product, or service. To achieve this goal, companies use different marketing strategies. These strategies mainly include creating a website, doing content planning and marketing, doing email marketing, using social media, search engine optimization, running paid ad campaigns, taking help of influencer marketing, and using other digital platforms. We can also divide all these strategies into organic and inorganic marketing activities, where organic means reaching your potential customers by investing more time, without spending money, and inorganic means reaching your customers quickly by investing money. For example, creating a website, optimizing it for search engines like Google, Bing, doing content marketing, creating content for social media or platforms, all these fall under organic marketing strategy, where the main focus is on valuable content creation and its distribution. Running ads on Google and YouTube, running your ad campaigns on big social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook, taking the help of influencer marketing are part of effective inorganic marketing. While implementing organic or inorganic marketing strategy, it is very important to keep your target audience in mind and also understand whether your audience is able to connect with the message you are giving. Once the audience starts understanding your message, it will be easier for you to pitch your product or service. But it is often seen that despite knowing these marketing techniques, people ignore some areas, due to which they do not get the desired results. So let's take a look at these neglected areas as well. Marketing areas that are often neglected. Existing customers. There are two main ways to earn money. First, you have a product, and second, you are providing a service. In both ways, you have to reach those interested people whom you want to make your customer or client. But it is often seen that most new organizations focus only on making new customers. They feel that the more people we connect to our company, the more our company's revenue will increase and we will progress. It is not wrong to connect people to your company and increase your customer base, but always thinking only about making new customers is not the right decision. Interacting with existing customers is as important as thinking about acquiring new customers. But often new companies ignore or do not give much importance to this, due to which their existing customers do not get the support they deserve. Solving their problems, resolving queries, providing good support, all this is effective in increasing the credibility, authority, and trust of a company. This greatly increases the chances of the company getting positive reviews and ratings, which ultimately is essential to strengthen the marketing game of the company. Website optimization. The most important digital asset in the digital world is a website. This is where your potential buyers or customers come, understand your business, see your products and services, read about you and decide whether they should become your customer or not. But is just creating a website the right marketing strategy? Do you start getting customers just by creating several pages on the website and listing products or services and putting information about your organization? Maybe not. This is called primary marketing. Just creating a website and using big words like your organization's core values, brand statement, mission, vision, etc. will not bring customers to you. The most important factor for this is optimization. Optimization means following such content, structure or strategy that makes your website optimized for both users and search engines. Now the question arises, how to do optimization and attract customers to your website? During website optimization, you have to answer many questions to yourself like: who is your target audience and what are their problems? How many pages do you need on your website? What kind of framework and structure do you want to use to make user navigation easy? Does your website have proper linking and are there any broken links? What kind of keywords do you want to use? Is the website optimized for mobile users? By getting answers to many such questions, you can optimize your website to a great extent. An optimized website improves the user experience and they get all the information for which they came to your website. This is a huge factor that has the power to convert those visitors into customers. Similarly, optimizing for search engines has a positive impact on the ranking of the website and you start appearing on the first page of the search engine. Whenever a person searches for something related to your business, products and services and sees your website first, he clicks on your website and you get traffic that is interested in your products and services. Here you have to keep in mind that do not forget to make the website mobile user-friendly and also do not forget to optimize it for voice search. Today, about 8.25 billion people in the world use mobile phones, which is more than 85% of the world's population. In such a situation, by not having a mobile-friendly website, you can lose the opportunity to get new customers. Similarly, today voice search has also started making its place. Today people feel more comfortable searching by speaking rather than searching by writing or typing. Keeping this in mind, many companies have started optimizing their website for voice search. But many old companies are still a little behind in adopting this trend.